The first stop on our trip was the Wedge Overlook. This canyon was formed by the San Rafael River. During the spring runoff, the San Rafael River offers opportunities for great canoeing and rafting. The BLM recommends floating only when the river is flowing between 200 and 500 CFS. These steep canyon walls reach 1,100 feet above the river. There are several great campsites along the rim of the canyon. Mountain bikers can enjoy some of the best riding in Utah on the Goodwater Rim Trail. At the bottom of the Buckhorn Wash, the swinging bridge crosses the San Rafael River. This bridge was listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Down canyon from the Wedge, the San Rafael makes its way to the swinging bridge, the Black Box, and eventually to its confluence with the Green River. From the bridge, we drove south to Interstate 70, then continued south to Temple Mountain Road. On the way to I-70, we encountered a herd of burros. Burros have lived in the swell since the early 1800s. The feral burros are descendants of animals lost by travelers on the Spanish Trail. Upon arriving at the Temple Mountain area, we set up the camp at which we would spend the next 3 nights. In the morning, we drove down the rough BLM 846 road to Temple Mountain. On the north side of the mountain, there are many mine shafts and discarded mining equipment. These mines supplied radium, vanadium, and uranium for nuclear development during the Cold War. The mines seen here are located on the northeast side of the mountain. This old car is now home for some large rodents. To the north of Temple Mountain is an area I would like to explore someday. To the right is the San Rafael Reef. From here, the road continues east to Temple Mountain Wash, which cuts through the reef. After exploring this area, we hiked up a road that climbs to another mining area in an upper valley. 15 years ago, we drove this road to the south side of the mountain in our Jeep. Due to the erosion, the road has become very narrow and is better suited for ATVs and motorcycles. Once we reached the top of the road, we got a good view of the upper valley. From the saddle, there is a long view down a canyon and out toward the Robber's Roost area. There are plenty of ATV trails to explore this valley. This is one of the small mines we came across. Finally, we reached the end of our walk and enjoyed a good view of the mountain's south wall. This is an overview of the area south of Temple Mountain. The Behind the Reef Road runs along the reef and provides access to Crack and Chute canyons. On the third day, we headed over to Goblin Valley to replenish our water supply, and then we drove down to Bell Canyon for a short hike. Bell Canyon is an easy hike with a few small dry falls and chokestones. Our golden retriever hopped over them with ease and wondered what was taking us so long. The full hike is an 8-mile loop which includes Little Wild Horse Canyon. This day we just wanted to hike a couple miles of Bell Canyon. Our last stop was to visit the Bentonite Hills near Muddy Creek. It's good to have an ATV or 4-wheel drive to access the area, though we saw a couple people riding their bicycles, even though there was a good bit of mud that day. These hills were created by layers of bentonite clay that has eroded and created amazing patterns that made for incredible abstract views from the air. These views are from 100 to almost 400 feet above the ground. bentonite hills like these can be found in other areas of Utah. We have seen them in Cathedral Valley and Burr Trail in Capitol Reef National Park and along Highway 24 between Hanksville and Canesville. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Also feel welcome to subscribe to my channel and you will be notified of new videos.